Welcome to Grab and Go Mini Fall Leaf Dish. With those supplies, as well as a flat tray and perhaps a rounded bowl to help. But first, let's step outside, check out those beautiful, spectacular colors, fall leaves. You'll want to gather a handful of some leaves. Now, thinking about the size of the dish, which won't be very big, about the size of the inside of your palm. I gathered a couple of different sizes and checked for veins, which is the back part that has that kind of the indentation, and also a couple of twigs. Now, with my gathering, back inside. I kind of look over everything. Though I really like that big maple leaf, I determined one of my leaves had too many holes in it. I tucked that to the side, but then I found this one and I decided let's go for it. First, the modeling clay. Note, do not put anything flammable in it. This is not going to be a dish that you can use for a candle. Also, do not put it in the oven. Now that I've opened it up, you'll notice it's kind of like a rubbery feel, kind of a square piece. Go ahead and roll it and have some fun. Make sure that you're ready with your rolling pin. Isn't it cute? Go ahead and get started. I put mine on top of my tray so that I wouldn't get any indentations from the table. Go ahead and start rolling it out to a flat, round piece. While modeling clay might be a little bit different or using dough, in this aspect, modeling magic can be a little bit more holding to the shape. So as long as you go back and forth in different directions, you can make it flat as a pancake. Next, I picked up a small bowl from my kitchen. I decided this is perfect to kind of give me that little light curve to my dish. This dish is going to be a perfect size for little trinkets that I might take off, like rings or a bracelet, or even just a special little centerpiece for my Thanksgiving table. If you'd like to make an indentation with your leaf, now is the time to do so. I did it just to see if it would make that much of a difference. You could also use twigs, whatever you would like to do to indent in your piece. The veins did make a little bit of an indentation, not too much, but again, this was an experiment. Using my hands, I decided to just give it a little gentle curve to the edge. You can also keep your piece for a little bit of time over top of an apple, maybe a cup, or a bowl. Model magic is a little bit different than using clay. It doesn't dry perfectly, but after some time and you feel that it's gotten its shape, you can go ahead and get to the gold paint. Go onto the back, the leaf that you chose, paint it, even the stem included. Once you've covered it with the gold paint, you can go ahead and press it into your bowl. It's so stunning. I took some of the gold paint and continued to paint the edge. I thought I would give it a nice touch. A little special fancy gold all around the edge of my little dish. I then got looking at my twig that I had picked up, and I decided, wow, it would be pretty cool if I just got a little gold paint on the end and dabbed it around the edge, just a little extra texture for my gold leaf dish. Looks pretty fancy, doesn't it? This can be a super gift for someone special in your life.